Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect Apple Watch to Strava. Let's go. Open App Store, find and install Strava app. Open Watch app. Install Strava app. Open Strava app. Log into your account. Your settings. Connect an app or device. Watch. Get started. Allow. I agree. Allow. Done. Manage apps and devices. Health. Connect. Allow. Open Strava app. Let's turn on the workout. The workout was signed up for both Strava and the fitness app. You can also manually enter all entries from the Apple Watch. That's it. Now you know how to connect Apple Watch to Strava. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.